Want to translate your video into any language and even show bilingual subtitles on screen at the same time? In this video, I'll show you how to do exactly that using Edimakor, an AI-powered video editor that makes bilingual subtitles super easy. If your video is in English, you can show both English and Spanish subtitles at the same time, like this.
So many people say go away, and all over the world they say it feels different. The whole world feels different, so it's an honor. It's a great honor, believe me, and we should all be happy about it because we're bringing it back like nobody.
It's perfect for YouTubers, educators, or anyone looking to reach a global audience with ease. Let's dive in. First things first, if you haven't already, download Edimakor using the link in the description. It works on both Windows and Mac. Once you've installed it, just launch the app and click New Project to get started. Next, import the video you want to translate, just drag it onto the timeline. Now go to the Subtitles panel on the left. Under Auto Subtitles, turn on Translated Language and choose the language you want your subtitles translated into. There are over 120 languages available. Then, under that, turn on Show Bilingual Subtitle. Scroll down to the Subtitle Style section and click on the Bilingual tab. You'll find multiple stylish subtitle templates. Pick one that fits your video's vibe. Then hit Auto Subtitling. Boom! Edimakor will automatically generate bilingual subtitles, original and translated, displayed side by side. Now it's time to make your subtitles look amazing. In the left panel, click the settings icon to tweak how your subtitles appear. Want fewer words per line for easier reading? Turn on the word limit in one line option and adjust it to your liking. Click on any subtitle on the timeline to change the font, size, color, or position. Make it bold, minimal, colorful, or totally on brand. It's your video, your style. Once everything looks just the way you want, click Export. You can either export the final video or export the subtitles separately in formats like SRT, ASS, VTT, or TXT for use on other platforms. And that's it.
So many people say go away, and all over the world they say it feels different. The whole world feels different, so it's an honor. It's a great honor, believe me, and we should all be happy about it because we're bringing it back like nobody.
Now you know how to translate subtitles into any language and display them in bilingual format using Edimakor. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell for more tips like this every week. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I always reply. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.